Available speakers. Hold on. All right, we should be live. Let me know. While we're waiting for that, real quick, I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, F2, James, Don, Mark, Miranda, Eminem, Palm Coast, Ralph, Richard, Unhappily a Housewife, Gilly, and Diesel Dan. Thank you. Hopefully I didn't miss anybody. I don't have my list. I'm just going off of the roles list. So hopefully that's right. Moderators, let me know if you can hear and see everything okay.
That was beautiful, Coach. You woke me up. Good morning, everybody.
Thank you.
YouTube's okay.
All right, thank you.
Pretty
Almost
much
there.
Super Bowl, and then in the middle of the night, U.S. versus Sweden in curling. My wife's from Sweden, so had to watch that.
Oh, nice.
I'm dead.
I
We beat
like
them though.
curling. I think curling's pretty cool, actually.
Yeah, it's pretty different.
Spoiler alert.
Hey, Coach, can you check to see, because it's coming in flipped? The screen's coming in flipped for some reason.
On which one?
Well, right now I'm pulling it from the restream. So wherever you have it, well, let me just double check here real quick, because it's showing, yeah, everything's opposite. So like,
Got
you
it.
know how normally TikTok, there's that, I don't know if it's TikTok is also doing it, but I'm streaming it through WAP and it's reversed. It's the opposite.
So all
So
the verbiage and everything is backward?
yeah, everything's backwards. Yeah.
Yeah, that's weird because on OBS everything is fine, which is what I'm using. So that tells me Restream is flipping it.
All right. Let me
Let
see.
me get into Restream. Hold on.
That means Restream's got dyslexia.
It does. It just means whoever used it last flipped it. I don't know where to go to do that. I'm looking. Settings.
Mark messing stuff up again.
No, I don't think so. It's somebody. All right, let's see. Stream, show advanced. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. I've got nothing there. Pull up the YouTube channel. Thumbnail looks good.
Mark messing stuff up again.
Everything looks good on my end, Bruno. The YouTube feed is correct. And
Yeah, well, I could let me take a look to see if there's any settings and
yeah,
that's never
YouTube is right. So you're saying TikTok is the only thing not right because YouTube is fine.
no, it's on let me check the settings in WAP. It's never done
Oh,
this
it's on
before.
WAP. Okay, so WAP's the problem. All right.
Yeah. It's never done it before though, but let me look to see if there's
Okay.
any settings.
Can anybody go to TikTok and make sure we're okay over there?
TikTok is good.
All right. Okay, so everything's fine. Okay, so it's WAP. All right, thank you. All right, let's get this party started, shall we? It is now 9:05, 9:06. Got a couple minutes before the market opens. If you guys are interested in joining us, make sure you go to our website, American Dream Trading. Do all the things. Click the buttons. That'd be great. Jack says not correct. Jack, what are we talking about over there on our own Zoom? Jack says not.
The trading idea is upside. Bruno, can you re-give me that number? Apparently I typed it wrong
Okay.
on SPY.
Meg says I'm one away from making $150,000. I believe that's what that means. Good job, Meg, over on TikTok watching us for free. Beautiful.
I thought
Right.
SPY was 689.60 was what Bruno said.
I got it in the chat, Maria. Yeah, Jack Mill got it.
Okay, so we're all set.
Yeah, we're all set.
All right.
Other than WAP showing you backwards, yeah.
Yeah, which I have no idea about that. Everything else is fine, so I don't know why that one's coming in backward. Might have to open up a ticket with them. Tony, I see you're all set. Yes, it is a lifetime. You're all set. Yes. I know. We're trying to get it to be more descriptive. That's not on our end. That's from our third-party vendor to say lifetime. But yes, you are all set, Tony. Thank you, and congratulations for your Diamond Lifetime membership. Okay, we are rocking and rolling. We are live on all the things. If this is your first time being here, my name is Chad, aka the Coach. I've been trading in the stock market now for 34 years. I've trained over 1 million people. This is American Dream Trading. We are the largest and fastest stock market education company in the country, if not the world. I'm not sure about the rest of the world, but I know for a fact here in the United States. Thank you for joining us. I will be trading live today so you guys can see exactly what that looks like. Not to mirror or mimic my trades, but so that you guys can see what that looks like. Looks like, let me flip this. 1 second. There we go. So far the market is flat. It's not down and it's not up according to SPY, Apple, and a couple other indicators. Right now, SPY is down $1 or 0.16%. Apple is down 20 cents. So whole market is flat. We'll see what it wants to do. Everybody be cool. Make sure you follow the training. Nobody act a fool today. I swear, I don't want anybody blowing up your accounts. Make sure you follow all of our risks. Do not lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value in any given day. If you have 2 red days in a row, go ahead and take the next 30 days off. Make sure you are using your American Dream Trading Journal, which we'll be talking about here in just a moment, which is still on sale for $39.99 for the first year. Make sure you take advantage of that 50% off sale. Make sure you guys are not using real money, but paper trading and simulate trading only. Do not trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. Make sure you guys start with stocks, not options, not futures, and sure the hell not crypto to start. You get into all sorts of trouble. So follow all of the rules. Make sure you have your stop losses in place at time of purchase. Do not buy them after the fact. If you have a brokerage account that does not allow you to put in the stop at the time of purchase, I would go hunting for another brokerage account. It will only take one time of you making a $500,000 trade and you don't have a stop in there and you're like, oh, well, I have 2 seconds that I can put in your stop. You'll go ahead and lose $200,000 on some sort of news event and you will wonder why you didn't listen to the coach. Make sure you guys also have a secondary system up. Know how to use multiple systems. You should have tablets, phones, multiple connections to your internet service provider, whether that is through your cell service and or your cable or internet service. Do not rely on one computer with one internet service. That was your public service announcement for today. Thank you. Some of you are going to have that backup system and you're not going to know how to use it. Well, I've never used it before. Today is your day. Today is the day you will learn how to use your mobile, your tablet, your Chromebook, your Windows device, your MacBook, or anything else that you have. Today is the day you will learn how to use the mechanics on other systems. I cannot stress this enough. Now, the beauty of what we're doing here at American Dream Trading, allowing you to break free from those 9 to 5 chains, one trade at a time over here, is the fact that you guys can trade from anywhere in the world. So by being able to trade from anywhere in the world, you need to be able to use those multiple devices. Right now, I am at the beach. I'm staring at the ocean. Thought it'd be a good idea to get my wife out of the house for a minute. We are literally at the ocean. It's absolutely beautiful. If you guys remind me a little bit later, I will show you the scenic view that we have right now. This is what I'm saying. So I have a tablet to my left, a laptop in front of me, a Windows laptop in front of me, by the way, and a MacBook to my right. I have multiple internet services. I have 2 internet services. I have T-Mobile and Verizon. I have multiple operating systems. So You should be able to use everything. Everybody in here, open your microphones. Everybody has the ability and everybody knows to use redundant systems. So if anything happens, you're good to go. Say yes if you know exactly what I'm talking about and you're
Yes,
able to
coach.
use it.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, coach.
Yes,
Yes,
coach.
boss.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. I'm telling you, it only takes one time. I'm telling you, one time. You'll be like, oh my gosh. Yup. And then you say, but coach, it cost me $40 for an extra phone line. And then you'll lose $1,000 on a trade because your internet will crash. Windows will try to do an update. You'll get a blue screen, right? A text message will pop up, and then the system will go halt and freeze. And you're like, oh my gosh. And you're like, if only I would have spent $40 a month. Here's your sign. There you go. There's your sign. This is your sign right here. Do it. Do it now. Okay, great. Oh, that's nice. All right. Now that we got all of that out of the way, we still got about 17 minutes to the bell. Nobody's going to go rogue today. Did anybody make any money last week? Open your microphones. Let me know. Did anybody make any money last week here at American Dream Trading?
Yes, did. I did.
Some paper.
I did it. I'm
paper
very
money.
happy.
Paper trading money.
Yes, coach.
Good, good. Good, good job, all 6 of you that made money last week. Nice job. Oh, that could be a delivery. Hold on, let me go see what this is. Give me 1 second. Moderators. Yeah, well, yeah, Airbnb.
Watch your mics.
That's him, Richard, talking.
Oh, never mind.
You got anything for us?
Yeah, the U.S. humbled my wife, put her back in her place as they beat, Sweden.
Okay, hold on a sec, gang. That was
You
pest
saying-
control.
You saying we got all the best athletes in the world? Is that what you're saying?
I'm saying I'm getting too old for watching Super Bowl party and wolfing down bunches of food and then still being awake in the middle of the night watching Olympics.
You guys almost got to witness something bad happen.
All right. Well,
Did anybody love the halftime show?
That's exactly what I did, Richard.
Did you guys hear me, by
There
the
you go.
way?
Yeah, we did.
I said you
I
guys
was chewing
almost.
out people for their mic.
Well, you guys almost got to witness something really bad happen. Somebody just rolled into the Airbnb we're at. That would have ended really badly for him. It was pest control. Didn't know somebody was here. Oh, it's too funny. Okay. All right. About 15 minutes. Yeah, I didn't watch the game. Didn't watch none of it. Did anybody watch it? Was it a good game? Was it terrible? What talk to me.
If you love defense, it was a great game. Unbelievable. I'm surprised the defense did not get the most valuable player because New England only had 1 first down for the first 3 quarters.
It was an awesome game coming from Seattle.
The
It
game
was.
was terrible. The ads were terrible. The halftime show was terrible. All of it was terrible
The
except the
whole
snacks.
thing was trash.
It was all trash. It was so bad.
I missed nothing. Okay, good. Good. Glad to
Unless
hear
you're a
it.
Seahawks fan.
Unless
Glad
you're
to hear it.
unless you're a Seahawks fan.
Absolute work.
It was an awesome game for me.
Okay, what was the final score?
Like 2-0.
No,
Safety.
29
Safety
to
won it?
13. 29 to 13.
Oh, was it? Okay. So it was a little bit up on the
but
board.
it was
Okay.
extra good because I did win my bet on the under
Oh, there you
45
go.
points.
All right. Well,
There
there
you
you go. Not
And I have
bad.
to tell you, the Swedish meatballs were delicious. The wings were delicious. The shrimp was delicious. The
Yeah. Let's be honest. It's more about the food, the fun, the family, the friends, right, than really the
Yeah.
game. Let's be honest. We get the games all year, so we used to always go to our friends, have Super Bowl, the Super Bowl get-togethers, and everybody bring food and all the things.
In my family, it's all about the bragging rights. My brother, one of my brothers of four of us, is a New England fan, and he's been giving us shit for the last time we lost to him.
That's awesome. Good stuff. All right, let's see. I think everything's cool. All right, let's see what our viewer count looks like over here on the TikToks. You don't stop. Like I said, I think what I'm going to do is we have a secondary channel. I'm going to be firing that up. Obviously not this week because I'm not at the house, but I'm going to start firing up that secondary account because something's seriously wrong with our primary account. So I think what I'll do is I'll start running both of them at the same time. And if the second one doesn't get any traction, I'll fire up a third one. I'll have all you guys just follow it so we can go live on the third account. Something's not right at all. I mean, I'm only showing 60 people watching us right now on TikTok. That should be over 300. So something is broken. Not sure what that is. I think I'll start feeding the algorithm again, sending up some Gennaro video content. They love feeding the machine, so maybe I'll do some content while I'm over here. So we'll see. We'll get the old algorithm going. Anyways, right now, just so you guys know, we left it up running because we had a bunch of people asking us because tax returns. So we've gotten tons of tickets. Coach, can you hold a diamond lifetime for me? Coach, can you hold it? So I'm going to hold it through tax season. So just so everybody knows, our intent was to shut it down. Everybody's opening a ticket for us to hold one. So instead of us trying to notate and put into everybody's system and who they were and try to remember and oh no, it didn't. And well, coach, you said I could, but nobody, all those things, it's open right now. So if you want to get a chance, because I'm telling you right now, we've already got the platinum ready to go. It is launched and ready to go. Platinum will be $5,000 a year, which is cheaper than VIP, would get you access to everything we have. But Diamond will unlock everything today and in the future, including our American Dream Trading Academy, which will be an extra fee for everybody unless you are a Diamond member. So if you want to get access to everything today and in the future for our regular membership services, of course, it excludes one-on-ones. Of course, it excludes like a journal. That's not like a membership, a standard membership thing we do. Of course, it excludes, right, one-on-ones with me or David or, the special mentorship program for a year that I run. Now, you will get the regular mentorship weekly program we have that has multiple people, but it's not the one-on-one exclusive mentorship style programming, right? So Diamond lifetime membership, get it while you can, $5,000 for everything. Right now, I've got it calculated. It's going to be about $70,000 worth of value by the time I throw up my American Dream Trading Academy. Right now, as it stands, it's over 50. It might be 55,000, something like that. So scoop it up. If not, sit there on the fence. You guys can at least start with a free Discord account. Free Discord account. Jimmy says, pay, pay, pay. Yes, you need to pay to play. Exactly. You want to know why we've made hundreds, literally hundreds of millions of dollars for our members? Because they pay. It takes money. We have 20 moderators in this room. We have a full help desk service. We have 5,000 training videos, I believe, by the time you include TikTok, YouTube, and all of our advanced training videos. We have more training than any other education company on planet Earth. It costs money to do that. So yes, you must pay. Don't sit over there staring over the wall, getting your little 1%, hoping we call out some. Get the training. Learn what we're doing. Appreciate you. By the way, here at American Dream Trading, I think we've broken 3 world records so far that I'm aware of. That has been recorded to us and reported by our members. We have made 16 brand new millionaires since doing this in the last 3.5 years. And we have retired literally hundreds of people from their 9-to-5 jobs. So might be worth checking out. I don't know. I'm just saying. You might want to check us out. Again, down there, American Dream Trading. If I don't have the scroll bar down there, which I might not. If you guys are using a prop firm account, the only prop firm account right now that we recommend. Now, I'm affiliate. By the way, I'm affiliates with a couple of them. The one that I recommend though right now is Tradeify. Right up top. See it? Ding, ding, ding. Use the discount code ADT to get the best price. They are a premium partner with us. I did a lot of homework. I met with the owners. I met with them 3 times in a video conference, by the way. I didn't need to do that. I don't need to do that with anybody. They just turn on. Yeah, you're large enough. We see all your stuff. Here's your affiliate account. That's not how we roll here. If it doesn't make sense, we don't use them, right? So I vetted them fully. If it's got my name associated to it, you know it's going to be the best. I'm not playing around with that, right? All we have is our word. I mean, that is everything. So if I trust it, you guys can trust it. If anything ever happened, it'd be gone just like everything else. We would never allow it. So appreciate it. Check it out. Use it. I see some of you are using it. So congratulations to you. Everybody that's over on YouTube, do me a favor. Click that thumbs up. Click subscribe. Everybody that's watching over on TikTok, we've got now over 80 people on TikTok. Over on TikTok, do me a favor. Double tap that screen. Click that follow button. I'd appreciate that. I see we've got 3 new followers this morning. I appreciate everybody being here. We're going to have a good time. We got about 6.5 minutes to the bell. Let's do this real quick. Richard and or Bruno, do we have any news for today or this week that we should be looking for? Go ahead.
Richard, you want to take this? Richard? Anybody? No? Richard? No, Richard. Richard's getting himself a cup of coffee. All right. So pretty much we kind of talked about it a little bit. It's big picture. Fed and rates still dominating, tech mixed with earnings. Still a bunch of companies reporting this week. And we have our economic data for this week coming out. So a couple of areas or a couple sectors to focus on. We have CPI, the NFP, the ISM, federal rate decisions eventually will come again at some point. But CPI inflation, jobs, payrolls, retail sales, and then Fed speaks, FOMC meetings, again, catalysts to watch for today and this week. Other than that, they're saying risk factors for traders are watching right now. The bond yield spikes, sticky inflation, earnings guidance, and then AI tech, concentrated risk, consumer slowdown signals. That's all that I'm really reporting for today. And tomorrow will be another day.
Awesome. Thank you, my friend. I appreciate you. All right, gang, we got about 5 minutes here to the bell. 5 minutes. Don't forget, if you are a VIP or higher member, you have access to our Trading View indicators. We have released our Trading View indicators 4.0. That is 4.0 is out there, so make sure you guys check it out. It's pretty amazing. Is anybody using the new 4.0? Do you like it? Talk to me.
Yes, sir. I am, Coach.
Thank you.
Yes, Coach. I think it's awesome.
Thank you. We are tweaking and tuning all the time, right? We always want to provide you with the best, so we're always updating it. It's funny, we released 4.0 and then we're like, hey, let's add a couple more things. So we did, and we re-updated it again. So we're always upgrading everything we have. Has everybody had a chance to get your American Dream Trading Journal? How many of those have we sold so far, Bruno? There's 268 people in my room.
I'm gonna check right now because I know
Okay.
we sold a ton on Friday. So as far, give me 1 second.
Okay, thank you, partner. If you guys have not had a chance, listen, I highly recommend it. It's $40, right? It's $39.99 right now for the first year. It's 50% off. There's no reason, there's no excuse not to be journaling every single day. I cannot stress this enough. You will notice an immediate
thing.
You will notice an immediate. Listen to the sound of my voice. I just want to grab right a hold of your face mask. If you were my football player, I'd be right up in your grill right here. Listen to me right now. You will notice An immediate change in your trading. Do you understand me? Are we on the same page now? Are you following me? This is the coach right in your face, right in your grill, right? You will notice an immediate change in your trading by listening to that one thing I say. Use your American Dream Trading Journal every day without exception. Are we all on the same page now? We have
Yes,
laser
sir.
focus. Are we laser focused?
Yes, sir. I do every day.
Thank you. Anybody that is new to journaling and or the American Dream Trading Journal, have you noticed an immediate change? Tell me now. I'm telling you. Tell me. Go.
Absolutely.
Yes.
140
Certainly.
Yeah, it does something. It does.
142 sold.
142 have sold, and there are 277 people in here. Now
It does
listen.
make you question everything again, and then
No.
it kind of sets you on the right track.
Yes. Now listen. I know I got that Flint education. Okay. I know I don't have a master's or a doctorate degree. I don't, right, have an engineering degree. I'm not a psychologist. But there's 283 people in the room, and how many have we sold, Bruno?
142.
142. Is that
Hey,
is
coach,
my
I'll buy someone one. I'll buy
thank
one for someone that needs it.
thank you. I
I'm in there
appreciate you.
twice and you
It's
gave me
worth
one,
it.
coach. So
Thank you. Thank
Have
you.
it.
Thank you. The math doesn't sound like it's mathing, right? We're 287 people. We sold 142. I don't think I'm getting through yet. I don't know. Maybe. It's like, hello? Hello, McFly. Are you in there? You guys remember Benny Hill when he'd slap the old man's bald head?
Yes.
That's what's
Classic.
happening to your bald little heads right now. Get over there. Do the things. Click the button. We're going to post the links. Oh, we've already posted the link. It's in the Traders Lounge. We're going to post it also in the Zoom right now. Somebody grab that journal and put the link in there. One of these days, moderators, watch. We'll have as many journals sold as many people are in Zoom. Won't that be something? We have 25,000 members. We've sold 140, and we worked on it for over a year straight. Oh, 10 seconds to the bell. Let's rock and roll. Whatever. When you guys are ready, when your back is against the wall, when you've blown your account for the 37th time, then we'll see you over there in our journal. Watch. I guarantee it at that point. Maybe I should listen now. Blah, blah, blah. Yep. Okay. We'll just wait. Lose 20 grand first, and then we'll talk about it. Okay, great. All right, here we go. I can see spies pulling back right here at the open. Be careful. It's all the way on the bottom of that regression channel if you guys are looking at our 2-minute EWO indicator. So I'm going to wait here. Giving this a little bit of pause. And you guys should have already marked out your pre-market high and low and previous day high and low.
NVDA, first green, and new high.
Thank you. NVIDIA first 2-minute EWO indicator to the upside. Thank you. 688 SPY 688 pre-market low. Everybody see it?
Yes, coach.
That's what we're going to be watching for. $6.88. Now remember, you got about a 30 to 60 cent variance now. And there's 688.34 with a bounce. Nice. Watching to see if it's got a little bit more. There it goes. Nice. Why is my order sitting there? What was that? Oh, it's set to limit because I'm on my laptop, not market. No, no. Did you guys catch that?
Yeah.
Oh, boy, you got to be careful when you flip systems, right, gang? There we go. Say, still looking for that push. Boom, I'll take it. That's $600.
Nice work, coach.
Thank you. That one was a little bit of a oh no. I got that 600
Apple,
back.
Apple's gone red.
Thank you. Did anybody else catch that beautiful, beautiful pre-market bounce?
Perfectly, thank you.
I called it, coach.
Good job. Put it in your journal.
Already did.
All right,
Already
thank you.
there.
Appreciate you. Beautiful. Look at this. My goodness. Just glorious. Just glorious. What a nice bounce. All the way up to the 200 right there. Everybody see that? Oh, that's nice. Goodness. Goodness gracious. Well, I'll do that a couple more times. That'll pay for the week. Just like that, right? Done. All the way up to the 200 now on SPY, looking real nice. Anybody have the next critical level on SPY to the upside? 691.28 is the pre-market high. Let's take a peek, shall we?
90.60 was close a day.
Okay.
690.42
Friday.
and 690.86.
690.62.
690.42, Palm.
Yep, and
Yes,
690.86.
694.
And 690 what, Palm?
86.
Okay,
Anything beyond that is just sloshing around 691.
Okay, thank you. I got them marked. Glorious.
Apple is having a major pull to the downside.
All right, thank you. Yeah, last night I set up in a different room in this house, and then this morning I was like, no, I want this, and I had to rechange everything, so I had to rewire, rerun. That's why one of the cameras isn't working. I changed my mind this morning. I'm like, I like this view better. I'm staring at the ocean. It's incredible. All right, 200 MA right here. Again, let's see what we've got. We've got nice stair step up to the upside. We've got a lot of room on this channel still to the upside here.
But I'm still waiting confirmation on the 200 because it's going through, but it's not confirming.
Correct. Everybody, we call that a what?
Buy and hold.
A break and hold.
Break
Thank you.
and hold.
Yep.
Thank you. Yeah, we're right in the
Looks
middle of
good,
that.
but
We're right in the
not
middle of
yet.
that channel. We definitely, I want to see that break and hold up there. Just remember, be careful. Palm's got us noted at 690.42 as a key critical area. Apple 2-minute EWO to the downside, third 2-minute EWO, and you are now in a 6-star trade on Apple to the downside.
Coach, NVIDIA ripping to the upside.
Okay, thank you. NVIDIA to the upside. That means to check on what?
XOXL.
Soxol. That's right. Good job.
Yep.
No break and hold on that 200 yet. Soxol's flat. Soxol's not really doing anything. Still waiting. Let me check NVIDIA. Yep, NVIDIA. Beautiful stair step to the upside on that. Great call on NVIDIA there. Look at SPY pull back off the 200. Never got a break and hold, did it?
That was the first call I made this morning.
Does everybody see it? Must be patient. Ooh, lots of volume. Huge spike volume right there. Whoa. Okay. Massive spike in volume. Did you guys catch
It's
that?
Apple. Apple just had a nice green candle rebound, that's why.
Wow. That was a supernova candle. See if we're going to get a continuation push here or not. Still trying. Little dabble do ya. Need a bigger push. There we go. I'll take it. Take another 300 bucks. Why not? Protected that trade. Little tight. The only reason I got so tight on that is I'm watching that 42 area. All right, we're all the way back up to that 690.42 area. Looking great though to the upside here. This is beautiful.
That's a red to green, boss.
Yes, thank you. Oh, good call. Thank you.
Yeah, so be careful right there.
Yep, thank you, thank you. Now remember, we want to break and hold of this critical area, right? That 690.42. You want to break and hold, everybody. Appreciate you. Let's see what Apple's still doing over here. Apple's still in that 6-star trade to the downside.
75% on runners.
Oh my gosh, I love it. David, did you go a little bit bigger today or no?
No,
it's okay.
more contracts, but cheaper positions, and it's paying off.
Yes, yeah, because it's got Monday. It's today's expiration today, right?
Yes, sir.
Yep, that's awesome. Good job.
UOKA, hot stock big, halted to the upside. We resume 943.
Nice, nice. Good call on that.
Up 134%.
Yes. David's
Coach,
over there
I'm going
bucking.
hunting. I made a month's pay in 3 minutes on Apple.
You made a month's pay in 3 minutes. Is that what you just said?
Yes, sir. I sure did.
Yes. Oh my gosh. I'm excited. I'm happy for you. I love your face.
Love you, Coach.
It's awesome. Awesome sauce. Tried to put that stop in there. It was too tight. Did you guys see me trying to put that stop in there and it didn't like it?
Isn't this a double top, boss, from
It
pre-market
is.
high?
It is. That's why I went really light off this spot. Oh, but it's paying.
He has momentum.
Yep. Got a little bit more right there. Yeah, it's got a lot of momentum.
You mentioned awesome sauce, Coach. I was doing some smoking yesterday for the big game and ran across some stuff in my cabinet. It had awesome sauce. And I thought,
Oh, that's cool.
is this ADT? Is this ADT sauce?
Yeah, that's cool as hell. Love it. Nice job. Thank you for those new follows. I see more people have followed. Wow, 26,000 likes this morning. Beautiful. Thank you over there on TikTok. I appreciate that. You guys are awesome.
NVIDIA knew how
Big
to.
heart. Thank you. Apple getting ready to make lower lows. SPY, be careful, everybody. I want to see this clear this area, and then I'll go in here with a little bit more. It's fighting this area. This is resistance, gang, right? Don't get all excited, catching FOMO and all that crap. Just be patient. Got it? Okay, good. 20 seconds, 30 seconds still on this candle. Apple finding support at 273.70, 273.50 it looks like. You're still okay. You guys are still to the downside over there. SPY pulling back off this resistance. Gang, I'm not getting in this right here, right? If anything, it's a short more than a long, which is crazy because most people be like, I want to long it here. You're going to wait if you're going to long it, right?
Yep, and NVIDIA is still going up.
Thank you. Up on resistance, 30 cents. Okay, that was a nice hold. Oh, I like that push. Come on, a little more, and then I'll long this. I like the way that it's sitting here. That's nice. That's nice. I almost longed it right there. As soon as it stalled out on the bottom of the previous bodied candle, I almost longed that. It would have been a good setup. That's all right. We'll wait. Still up here on the very tip top. I don't trust it yet. I just don't. To sketch. This is pre-market high area right here. See it? Previous day close, pre-market high, all sorts of stuff. Here we go. Somebody's mic's open. You can kill it. Still not in this trade. Gonna wait. Gonna be patient. Sitting all the way up on this previous day close and that pre-market high area. You guys do see that, right? If you look to your left.
Oh, absolutely.
That's dangerous.
No confirmation yet.
Nope. Too dangerous there.
UOKA resume and to the upside, new high.
Yes, hot stock pick. UOKA. UOKA. Thank you.
Up 230% now.
Yes. Is anybody making any money on UOKA right now? Making so much money you can't even open your mic. I understand. I'm with you.
I made money on the open that pre-market at one my time, 4-year time.
Nice,
Been
nice.
been tracking it ever since.
Nicey nice. Still sitting here on SPY. Telling you, gang, I'm right there with you. Listen, I would have loved to have longed it, but I don't have any confirmation of it, right? So again, it's better off to actually, I know this sounds stupid, right? But for you new traders, it will. But for the rest of us, we shorted that top 691.56 to the 9, right? That's a better setup. All right, here we go. Let's see if we can get some strength. I like this. Good candles. A minute. Had a nice push off the 9. Stair stepped off that previous candle. See if we can get a nice push up here. Have to give this some, I have to give this some room. I like that candle though. Let's see if we can get a bigger push. I should have enough room for this to work. I don't want to get wicked out, so I have to be willing to give up some, right? There's nothing worse than having too tight of a stop, getting wicked out by like 2 cents, and then it runs in the direction you're like, I knew it was gonna go that way. How many times have we all done that?
All the time.
All the time, and it drives me nuts. It's probably my worst favorite thing in trading is when that happens. You know what?
AMD broke out.
Which one? AMD? I think he said AMD, but I wasn't sure the rest.
Yes.
What's the call out?
AMD 2-minute EO.
To the
Upside.
Thank you. Oh, this is so flat. It keeps hitting the ceiling and stopping. Go. If we can get that to break through, you're going to get a big volume pop, right?
when you get stopped out and it continues running in your direction after you get stopped out, it's like the bully
Oh,
giving
I
you the
know.
noogie.
Yep. It's so. Oh, it didn't do it. I just got stopped out. Look at that candle. Look at. Do you see how that nasty that candle was? Look at what that did.
So double top putts, that's what I did.
Did you guys? Well, it's still trying to long. Did you guys see that candle? Didn't I just talk about that?
Yep.
Everybody
that
in
was
the
a
room,
massive drop.
didn't I literally just talk about that candle?
Yes,
And then it dropped to the 21 and
Yep.
bounced back.
Did you guys see what happened? And I had the largest stop on that. There should have been no problem. And now this sucker is going to run. Want to bet?
Yep. That's how it
I
happens.
just said it, didn't I?
Mm-hmm.
I was going for the quick candle flip and I caught that whole thing back to
Oh
the
my-
21.
Yeah, me too.
Come
I
on.
did a little tiny contract.
Now it's going to rip. Watch. I'm in it. I'm going to give this thing just. It's just unbelievable. That was literally, you guys saw a 1 second candle burn me out. Everybody saw it live, right?
That's SPY.
Literally as I was saying it.
Yep.
And then what did
And
it do? Ran all the way back up to the top.
Snoopy's football.
Damn thing. Playing with fire up here on the top. And the only reason I'm even considering it is just the fact that the way it's staying up here, right? And just like that, when it tried to drop, all those buyers scooped it up. Otherwise, this would have dropped down here and kept dropping, right? Come on, get the volume spike and go. It's got to break through, though. If it can't break through, buyers will get fatigued. They'll sell out. Just hanging
You're
out up
getting that
here.
wedge spy turn with the 9 too. It's like you see the top and you see the 9 is getting that thing really tight.
Yeah, and we're up on the top of the channel. Like there's all sorts of stuff.
Yeah.
This is why I'm saying if we can get this damn thing to spike in volume, this will launch to the moon.
You can just see by the candles though. Once they're either gonna have to sit there and survive an onslaught of sellers to take it higher.
Yep.
Or they're gonna let it fall back.
Correct.
You can just you can just see the sellers just beating those candles down.
Yep. Yeah, I'm seeing it. Yep.
NVIDIA is now stopping at 4.3%.
Oh, nice. Yeah, this thing is getting hammered over here. Need to see a bounce
Did another
right here.
put. I'm in put right now.
Yep, I know. Like I said, you're better off to be in puts, and I'm over here trying to long it off the damn FOMO, and I got stopped out. What did I say up there? I said short it, so what's the coach do? He longs it. Coach, come on.
That's what I'm saying. Write down to your journal, coach.
Well, the rule should be never trade live. Nobody does what I do because it does not help you. I'll leave the room and make $50,000. I'll come in here and lose 5. It's just it makes no sense. It just makes no sense. Well, I mean it makes sense because I'm talking instead of trading. That's why nobody does this in the world, by the way. Nobody. Nobody does what I do in the world.
Oh baby. I'm getting paid.
Yeah, that's nice. That's glorious. Right up on
It's
the top.
I've seen that setup before where it gets there and just the sellers just start beating on it, and they're not going to sit there and eat all those they're not going to sit there and eat all those sellers, so they let it fall back.
Yep. Yeah, the sellers will or the buyers will get weak knees and run out.
Yep. Yeah. Why sit there and eat? Why sit there and eat it all at a higher price when they can just let it roll with the punches a little bit.
I agree.
That's nice. Nice up, nice down. I'm done for the day.
Yeah, that's nice.
Apple small bounce from a double bottom.
Yeah, Apple just keeps riding that same exact level, right? That 273.50, same exact spot, right? Over and over.
It was strong support the other day in the pre-market, and then it was pretty much like the low of the day a couple days ago. Also, all in that
Yep.
area.
Yep, nice. Sitting right on this 200. I'd like to see this break through here.
And our paid members that are here in the afternoon, part of our 1% club, you've got your 1 to 5% on MSTX like we've been going over for months now. Congratulations.
There you
You're
go.
done for your day too.
There you go. Done
On your
and
way to
done.
2000%.
Nice job. There goes Apple, new low a day. Now, if you're an Apple 2-minute EWO rider and you followed my damn strategy and not your own, you're still in it, and now you're the highest you could be for the day on that, correct? Okay, great.
And you probably have runners in the at least 70%. Mine are 84% right now.
Yeah, that's phenomenal. Love it. Now, SPY, we're just sitting here on the 200, looking to see if we're gonna, if this is gonna pull back through. Come back to today's open. Still 50 cents away. But you have to respect that 200 area right there, right? Apple teetering, just hit 270, 316, is just kind of stalling out. SPY's trying to bounce here on the 200. I'm waiting to see what it wants to do. Getting a little
If
bit
it runs its full chop zone, it's going to come all the way back to that 688.50.
Oh yeah, yep. Yeah, and then I'll be looking at the low. It's trying.
Yeah, 689.63 is a critical area for that flush.
Yeah, it's just sitting on it. Same with Apple. That 273.50, man, just hanging out there.
Sitting on the branch, Apple sitting on the branch.
Yep. There we go. SPY popping off of the 200. See if I can get a little bit off that. Nice.
Bouncy bounce.
Yep, looking good. See if it's got more.
We got to watch that 690.86 all over again.
Right.
That was support on the top. Now it's resistance.
Yep. Yeah, it pushed all the way back up there and then kind of fought that spot.
Yeah. And we've seen that before, the 689.65 area to 690.86. It seems to get stuck there.
Yep. And it is too. Stalling out. Oh, yep, and it flushed. Oh, I got greedy. Come on. I got greedy on it. Get in there. Yes. How many out of this? All right, I'll take some more. What is this? 13? I like that push. Come on. Come on. You got it. Get up there. I'll take it for 2.
Oh, little doggy.
Yep. think I ended up getting 1,400 on that one. It's trying, it's just bouncing this area. I didn't want to be loitering around here though. Too many indicators jabbed up. I didn't want to be testing it again to the wrong side. Because we are right back at resistance again.
Yeah, it's literally in the middle and you have all the indicator right there. It's
Yep.
tough spot.
That's why I said I'm going to take that money on that long push. Yep, I'm glad I did.
I'm waiting for the better setup.
Yep. Waiting to see if this candle will get pushed back up here again.
Anything over 690, they're trying to sustain through bag holders.
Yeah, it's a tough battle right here. It's a tough spot. Apple, you guys are still alive over there, right?
Yes, sir. Kind of chopping around. Contracts are at 58%.
Nice. There we go. Come on, get that push. Nothing
That
yet.
red to green again right there.
Yep, it's just sitting here. I don't want nothing to do with that. Nope.
If there was that much confidence in it, they would have slammed it right back up and they'd be trying to hold it, but there's
I
zero
agree.
confidence.
Yeah, I agree. We should already be back up trying to test new highs here.
Yep.
Come on, it's got to get up there if we're going to do anything. It's got to do it now. There goes Apple sinking again. Beautiful job over there, Apple. Everybody's hanging on.
If change 1 minute.
Thank you. Everybody's hanging on for dear life over there. You got one contract left that's bouncing like $15. I see some of you sweating over it. Calm down. I guarantee you there's somebody in the room right now. It's moving like 15 bucks at a time. And they're like, oh, with one contract. They shed everything and it's making lower lows. And they're like, oh.
Perfectly normal.
Yep, just freaking out. Somebody's freaking out. Some of you don't even smoke and are going to go get a cigarette after that move. Man, this is a tough spot. How we doing over there? Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Lots of viewers coming in now. Appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you for all the likes and the new follows. Very cool. There we go. Come on. Not bad. I'll push this off this gamma candle, see if we can get some more off of that.
They take it right to the front door and they're like, nope.
Yeah, they do too. They keep pushing it every time. Come on.
They're doing such a good job holding the level, but nobody wants to stick their neck out.
I know it. It's a beautiful move to push to the upside. Like this is the time. Yep.
Yep. Plenty of buyers.
Yep.
Nobody wants to breach that level.
Look at that every time, right to that spot. And then it says no.
That's okay. I just keep right back and forth, back and forth.
Yep, use the top of it. It's trying. It just keeps coming back to VWAP, and then it pushes to that ceiling. Oh, there goes Apple again. Apple trying to make lower lows again, right, gang? My Apple bottom jeans, people, were over there freaking out a second ago, and now they're like, now everybody's breathing a little bit like, right?
What do you?
There we are, right back on that ceiling again, Palm.
Yeah. That's like the 6th time I've taken that trade back and forth now.
Oh, nice job.
Nice little bucket of popcorn there.
Oh, that was a better candle. Get up there. God, look at it. Look at it. It's just like, yeah. Just riding it up there.
And puts again.
Yeah,
It's just too easy.
over and over and over, right?
Yep. Okay, take it there on VWAP, done. See if it flushes
Apple.
out a little bit.
Yep, an
Pick it
apple.
back up off the 200.
Apple, you guys are making lower lows now. See it? New low a day on Apple. Who's hanging in there? Who's still alive?
We just hit about 95%.
That's glorious. All right, you guys are listening to the sound of my voice over on Apple, right? So I know some of you are losing your minds over those little baby moves, and you shouldn't even be touching the damn thing. Like at all. It's not even making any moves, and you guys are sweating bullets over there. I already know it. Who's freaking out over there? Talk to me.
STX people, you've got support on the 200 now, still to the upside. You're still cashing in.
Palm, look, it just bounced again. Same exact level.
Yeah.
Over and over.
It's a beautiful
it's done.
channel to do.
Yeah, right off the 200, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Over and over.
Easy peasy, nice and breezy.
I did
Over
it
and
3
over.
times. I did two call and 1 put and that thing.
Yep. Over and over. Right back to the ceiling again here.
Oh, stop paying me money.
They can't help
Oh,
it,
good
Palm.
grief.
It just wants to pay.
Eventually one of these is going to snap me out, but I'm just going to keep rolling until it does.
Yep. Do it until it doesn't anymore, right?
Yeah, this is like the, I don't know, 10th, 11th, 12th trade in here. So if one of them dings me a little bit, no big deal.
Yep.
Nice tight stop.
This one went a little bit higher than previous.
Yep.
This one
That one
finally.
had a little more behind it, so I stayed out of it.
Yep, that one broke the cycle. There it goes. Yep, there it goes. That one broke the cycle. Good volume now, all the way to the top.
Yeah, Google just had a full-blown reversal. That's what happened.
Yep.
It went from double top to double bottom to double top in 2 candles.
Back to puts on the 690, 160.
Yeah, it went right to the ceiling again.
Took that little bounce.
Yep, that was nice.
We'll see if it works this channel now.
Yeah,
Or if
690,
if this is a
150.
break and hold.
Yep. Yeah, it's on the very top of that channel. I want to see this one shoulder up and push. 690, 150. It's up on that ceiling again.
You will call that a double top, right, Coach?
Correct. It's technically a triple, but there it goes. I'm in that long. It's a nice push above. Nice. It's the first time it's cleared that area, so we'll see. So we got 2 things here. It's either going to continue to run or we're going to get a pullback retest of where it just came from and then see if it's going to rip.
692 is gonna be in everything.
Yep,
You
continuing
see how
to
the candle's
run.
not getting beat down like it was earlier?
Yep.
Yeah.
It's floating up there
Ooh,
pretty
that's a
easy.
good
They're not having
candle
a hard
right
time with it at
there.
all.
That's a good
Yep.
candle right there. It shouldered the previous candle.
Yep.
That's a nice one. There's 3,000.
It's five in a
Nice.
row.
Nice. Still giving a little bit of room.
692.08.
Yeah, 692 would be a big deal.
Yeah, up 08, I think. We'll see. And then you got 47 above that.
Took it 2,500 off that trade. Nice. Now, as long as we stay above the 691.50, gang, leave it alone. Got it? I'm still looking. I want to see if it's going to pull back and retest that area or not, because we are in that giant, still this same area. I want to. If you guys stay up there, though, leave it alone. If you're in the long still, leave it alone. Got it? If you're
50
not,
cents is not enough of a breakout.
yeah, and if you're not in it yet, wait for us to clear that 692, and then you should be good to go. Yeah, I want to see it pull back. I would love to see it come back to 691.50, and then I'm going to grab calls on it again, and then it shoot new moon, new high, but it might just continue to stair step up.
Yeah, I mean, the price action on that candle tells you that the sellers have thinned out quite a bit.
Yep, yeah, it's just making new higher highs. Okay, here we go. A little bit of fatigue. Come on, I want to see come all the way back. Thank you.
It's got a bounce
Yes.
right there.
Yep, that's what I'm looking for. Right here. I'm in it. Got it a little bit late, but yes, go. Nice. Come on, get that bounce, make new high, baby. Let's go. That was a retest.
No big deal yet. Just a little breather.
Yep, yep. I got my stop in place. Golden.
See if they hold on.
There we go. It's good candle.
There we go.
Yep, good candle. Go.
Let's go.
Ah, faded. Come on, baby. Push. Nope, don't like that candle. Still protected. I'm still covered. Come on. Starts doing that to me. I'll have to take it every $500 or $1,000 move just to take them, but looking for a bigger move, bigger push.
I think that 692 is. I think that 692 is going to be a bigger deal. So I'm just going to sit here and scalp these.
Yeah, 692 right back down to that 9. See, like right here, green again, but looking for a bigger move. I could take the 600, but starting to jam pile up a little bit here in the 691.50 again. As long as we stay above that, gang, you're golden. Nobody's freaking out, right?
That's it. Little consolidation is no big deal.
No, it's actually encouraged. I like it. As long as it's staying
Yep.
high while it's doing it, you know?
Yep.
Apple, same spot, just fighting it constantly, right, gang?
Typical upside, right?
Yep.
Like, whoa.
Yeah, drop like a knife in a heartbeat, but then take 4 hours to go $2.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And then whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah.
Here's the pullback you were waiting for, coach.
Yep. I've got a stop in place here. Got a little greedy off it again.
Right at the 21.
Yep.
I picked it back up on the 21.
Nice.
See if it gets trapped here a little bit. Come on, bounce out.
Yeah, we were up there on those highs too, pre-market high, everything up there. So
Yeah, it slipped back under. I took it.
Yep, yep.
It's got to get back above that 60-cent mark now.
Apple, you guys still alive? You guys are still hanging out in the same spot. Is everybody okay? Nobody's freaking out?
Yeah, we're doing good. We're hanging in
Runners
there.
are at about 90%.
90%. Oh my gosh. You guys have doubled the amount of money you put into the trade. Just another day here at American Dream Trading, right? $10,000 trade. You guys are up 9 grand now, right? Nice job. You got
Get off the
100,000 in
21
there. You
again.
guys are up $90,000 right now. Congratulations. Anybody have $1 million? You're up $900,000 on that Apple trade right now. Good job. Do you see how once you get this down, it's just about position size, how much you're going in with everybody in the room, right?
Ain't that the truth?
Yeah, $10 million trade. You're up 900,000 right now, right? Congratulations. You just made $1 million bucks. Or I'm sorry, 10 million. You just made $9 million. My bad. Congratulations on making $9 million today. And it's been 44 minutes. Yes, right? It's glorious.
Come on. That's slowing down.
Mhm. Like this. I'm green up here again, but I'm like, okay, push.
That's the second time off the 21. Now it's above the 9, so I'm going to hold on to this one a little bit.
Yeah, I want a little bit of clearance before I protect this trade. Otherwise, I'm flat on the trade. And then what was the purpose of sitting through all this storm? Come on. There's 1,000. Nice. Look for the push. That really needs to stop going back to limit. There we go. There's 1,500. There's 2,000. 2,250. 2,300. Looking good. Moving my stop now. 23. There we go. 2,750. Nice. That's the move I was looking for. 2,800. 2,870. There's 3 grand. Moving my stop.
Got to hold 20 cents to get to 47.
Yep, I see it up there. We got previous day high coming up.
Come on. Just a little pop.
Yep, need to see more out of this. Otherwise, it's going to fade and pull back.
692, 35-ish.
47.
There it is.
Yeah.
I just took 2,200 on that trade.
Just a
Not
little
bad.
pop.
Yep.
Come on. I'll sell off into that if it goes. Otherwise I'm going to cover it.
Oh, that's, yeah, let me look. Is that previous? Yeah, 692.31 previous day high. 692.31 is a previous day high, everybody. That is a
Should be able to
natural
get gamma
double
right into the
top.
47.
Yeah, that is a natural double top off the previous day high. Be
There it
very
goes. Come on.
careful.
A couple more.
You're pushing the envelope now.
I know I had to take that. If it breaks and holds above it, I'll take it on. I'll take it on the upside again.
I want to see it
That got within
pull.
4 cents of my number.
I sold mine. I'm just
see
waiting at that
I want to
point.
see it pull 692.31 right here for me to short this is what I want. This is a natural double top off of a previous day high.
I already flipped it.
Yeah, I'm just waiting.
I might get burned, but that's the number I was looking for, so I got it.
Yep.
Thanks, Coach.
Yep. Good job, everybody.
You saved me on that one.
Yep. Yep. Yeah, I'm making money the other way now.
I'm getting better and better. I'm scalping SPY, Coach. I'll send you another screenshot.
Good job. Let me know when you make $1 million. You can buy me a brand new Bentley. Thank you. Appreciate it. Checks in the mail.
The day I make $1 million, I will not forget to buy you.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it.
This is going to be tough. Super tough.
Yep, I've got to stop in place, but it's gaining momentum upside.
It is. I just took that for the quick pullback.
Give us a little bit more room.
No confirmation yet.
Nope. Just be careful here, everybody. This is such a dangerous spot.
And the 9 is right at 692, so that's interesting.
We got that candle touched on top of the other one. Let's see. Still in the same general area, though. Got stopped out. I had it in the green, but it wasn't enough pull for me. Just wasn't.
I caught the gap. I'm not working too hard on counters at this point.
Yep. Yeah, it's still making a nice move upside here now.
I got a small position upside because I don't know. I don't trust this 692.50 very much.
Yeah, this is that 692.30 was the big spot. It was
I fully
massive.
expected a gamma push, but it's there's really not that many sellers up here. I really figured they'd run into more bag holders.
Yep.
Everyone wants to see where it's going to go, so I'm
Still
in for the
getting
ride.
good. It's still getting good candles up here.
It is. Yep.
Set this to previous.
Got back into the 692, 20, 25 area.
Yep. Yeah, I just longed it again. I mean, the candles are setting up, so now notice
Right.
everybody, right? My original was I was looking for the short off of the double top. It did go green. I didn't take it. That's okay. I was looking for a bigger move. Well, guess what? I immediately flipped it long once it went long, and I made back all my money and then some, right? This is how you scalp.
Everything up here now is 50-cent marks. 693, 693.50. This whole area is all 50-cent marks. It's traded really tight in here before.
Yep.
And it just ran 50 cent ranges.
Right.
693, it's an old golden line. Be careful right there.
Thank you. Good call.
I remember seeing that thing pull from that level many times in the past, so.
You guys hear that from that level?
Actually, your gold lines are 690 and 693.96. As far as like the much stronger levels, there's some slightly stronger levels in between, but you don't run into something much stronger until you get to 693.96.
All right, I'll mark it.
But I'm telling you, 693 a couple of times. I have some nice pullback on it, so.
Well, because it's a dollar amount, it's going to do it every 50 cents.
Yep.
Yep.
This whole area all the way up to 695 is all 50-cent little channels from before.
SPY, there we
But
go.
when we got that pullback below VWAP earlier, it stopped right at the 690. So that tells me that we're in this next gold level channel, and that's 690 to 694. Anything inside there? 50 cents, 50 cents, 50 cents.
Well, it did pull back.
Yeah, we're watching back down to that 692.30. Remember, that's where we are watching everything. 692.30. As long as we stay above that, that's that previous area, that previous day high. That's everything.
Right back in off the 9.
Yep, nice job. Staying up. Come on, push. Push. Let's just continue to make higher highs today. Let's just go high all day today. We'll just leave the longs in until the cows come home. How's that sound?
That works.
Yep.
This is pretty much what Friday was. It just kind of up and down, just kept massaging its way up.
Yep. Bucko, you can't handle the truth on previous levels. Oh
That's
my.
funny.
Oh. That's somebody's name in there, which is even funnier. Somebody's name is You Can't Handle the Truth on TikTok. Now look at Apple. So everybody collected some, and then you're waiting. It is not above VWAP, right?
Yep.
All right, here we go. SPY 692.31 right here. Now remember what this was resistance before, and it blew right through it, right? So this is now support. So let's see if we're
Hopefully.
going to get a bounce off this 692.31.
Nope.
Yep, we'll see. Give it a moment. We'll see.
Give it a minute.
Yeah, but we are way up. If you guys are looking at our 2-minute EWO indicators, you on the very tippy top of that channel. Do you guys all see it? Now, typically it loves to pull when we're up there. I'm going to short that now.
And see if it can come down and kiss the 21.
Yep, that's what I'm looking for. Don't need a whole lot to it.
That's what I'm waiting for. Come on, get to the 21.
692.31.
Of course, we got to be careful on this one just because if it does hit the 21, it's going to be breaking that level and you might get it all the way back to 75.
Right, right.
Might just get a gamma effect.
692.30. This is that spot. Previous day high. Remember I said this is a sport, so be very careful. There we go. Come on, baby. Yes.
I want to see the flush.
Yeah, so do I. If it does,
Come
I'll
on.
add.
I'll pick up a bounce at 691.75 on calls. 675 to 60 area.
There we go, all the way to the 21.
Come on, wick through.
Yeah, it's
Punch it.
trying.
Punch it. Punch it.
Yeah, don't
Don't
stall.
run out of gas there.
Yep, I took it.
Yep. A little further. A little
Oh!
further. There we go. Come on.
Jumped in it again.
That's it. That's
Yep.
it.
Yep, love it.
Back in calls. Quick bounce. See if it holds the 21 or I'm out.
Yeah, we're below the 21, but you're right. We'll see if it can sit down there or not.
It's a flush. It's SPY it. It's what it does, right?
Yep, really does. Adding. Adding. It is 6 and 6. Yeah, it was way up on the top of that channel up there. And usually if you guys look at our 2-minute EWO indicators, whenever you're way up on that channel, it always pulls, doesn't it? 9
Yep.
times out of 10, it's going to pull when we're that far up on that channel.
Hello?
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 I can hear you.
Hello, hello, darkness, my old friend.
Ma'am, this is
Sorry, I had to mute the mics.
PCHH hot stock big. It's up. It's up 75%.
All right, thank you. Good call. Just teetering here. Come on, baby.
It's funny because you look at all the big seven, they all stall. They're like stuck. It's not moving.
Just sitting here. I keep going green, a couple $100, and then red. And then green, a couple $100, and then red. Oh, I like that. Go. This is the point where it stalls out like this. I'm just gonna have to take the money and run.
It's just close to 10:30. The pattern's slowing down. That's all.
Yep, that one burned me.
I'm still sitting in calls.
Went green 6, 7 times off that trade, but it was
Yep.
so tiny that I'm like,
It wasn't worth it. Yeah,
yeah, it's just
the spread alone would kill you.
yeah, it's just trash.
Yeah. I had to take it on. I had to take it on the 9. I'm like, I'm not going to sit there.
Yeah, this is trash at this point.
So now so now you're looking for a break below 691, 60, 66, or a break and hold above 692.
Yep, and this is pushing. This got big volume push upside now.
Yep, I'm back in calls on that break. 692.47 again, taking it right there. I know it sounds stupid because it's a big old gamma candle, but I don't have a lot of confidence in it shouldering up right there.
Yep, no, it's a good trade. Still seeing if this is gonna flush here or not, because I'm really don't have much more to give off the ceiling. But yeah,
I'm not.
So you guys saw my trade though, right? Multiple times green didn't take it because I was looking for just that little bit more. That's where that greed takes over, right? I'm like,
Yep.
I'm like, if I don't make 1,000, why am I going to take 500? And now look, right now it costed me 4 grand. Do you see the difference? Take 500 or lose 4 grand. Does everybody understand the difference?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's that quick. That's what greed will do, right?
Seems like you have different stops. Are you basing it on a dollar amount or a price?
Me?
Yeah.
My stop is always exactly dependent on key levels. I don't give a crap about anything else. That one I had no stop. Did you catch it? I don't think I had a stop on that one. I don't remember if that one did or not. That was a larger position size, so even though the move wasn't that big, that's why it costed so much. Does that make sense?
Top.
I'm taking it there. 693.04 was it, but 4 cents is close enough.
Yep, we're up on a double top. right? A micro double top
Yep.
from today's high. Right, what time is this? 10:30. I wish it was warmer out. Damn it, I want to go walk the beach. You know what? We got time. Let me I'm gonna show you guys the view. You guys want to see the view here?
Sure.
Let me see if I can gonna kill
A
this.
view of the beach.
Yep. Let me kill this other. So I'm hooked into multiple systems off here. Hold on, let me kill all these connections.
No budgie smugglers.
Now let me see if I can. Now, hopefully, if I unplug this, hopefully it doesn't crash the system. I think it'll be okay, but sometimes when I unplug this and it goes from battery to full juice, it freaks out. If you guys want to see the view, you need to go over to YouTube or TikTok because the Zoom camera is not working. Can you guys hear me in Zoom?
I heard you.
Okay. All right, let me unplug this. If it crashes, we're done for the day. Let's just hope. Everybody be cool. Let's see. Hold on. And... Oh, are we all right? We good? Looks like we're all right.
You're
We're
good.
stable. Yeah.
Copacetic.
All right, yay. Okay, hold on. Let's see if you guys can you guys see the place? Hold on. Oh. Can you guys see in here?
Yeah, I can see it, Coach.
That's the elevator. An elevator in here, by the way. Check it out. Can you guys see outside?
Yes.
Take you on a little tour here. Hold on a minute. So this is a 8-bedroom, a little 8-bedroom bungalow on Virginia Beach.
Break.
Can you guys all see it?
Yep.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Very nice.
Hold on, I'll take you on a little misguided tour here. Hold on. So this is the kitchen, obviously. Dining room. You see my setup? Yeah, baby. And the kitchen. Let me take you downstairs to and then this is the other living room. I know it's on a big delay, but hold on. This is the game room. Can you guys see? I know there'll be a delay. Play a little foosball, a little pool. Then we got the workout room over here.
I got them into 2 different trades.
Yep. And then, of course, walk out to the beach. Yeah, I think there's 8. Yeah, I think 8 bedrooms. This is the first floor. We were on the second floor. And then, of course, this is pretty cool. Hold on. Oops. What's it in here? You guys see the theater room?
Yes, Coach. We're trading, but we see you.
I got you.
Here we see you.
694 is that gold line I was telling you about. 693.96 or within. And basically, we were talking about if you get between 20 and 40 cents. Now it's if you get between 30 and 50 cents, and effectively the levels validated. So pretty darn close. You're within 20 cents on that level, and on the gamma, and then now it's reverting. We'll see if we can get a full retest of the actual dollar mark, or if it pulls.
Go up to the 3rd floor.
Man, I was expecting more of a screen in that theater room.
Yeah, I know. My TV's bigger than that. For sure. Right. And then the 3rd floor, of course, bedrooms everywhere.
We had a couple people asking. I'm watching it on TikTok.
Yep.
Zoom isn't gonna show because the camera
Zoom
was
won't
off.
show it. Yeah, I told them YouTube or TikTok's the only way they'll see it. Let's take the elevator before the old man strokes out, shall we? You guys want to take the elevator? Okay, good. Because I'm dying. I'm gonna stroke out live. Right? The old man stroked out. All right. And that was a little misguided tour of the beach house. So, a little bit of change of scenery for the day. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
It's always good to change it up.
No regrets.
That's right. I'm going to get a drone out here probably tomorrow. So, something else. The water draws me. It's my move. So, again, you guys can trade from anywhere in the world, right? Isn't that what I train you all to do, to be able to do this? Trade from anywhere?
Yes, sir. I'll be doing it on my cruise next week. That's why I was like,
Yes.
the latter on a cruise, I was able to keep up with the Apple chat in the morning because it's early, and then I was able to do a couple of little trades and the one-on-one picking in
Right.
between shows and events, and it was like business, like as usual.
Yeah, like don't even skip a beat, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. A little misguided tour there for you. All right, it's 10:40. I think it's time
Is
to
anybody
shut
else
her
hearing? Is
down.
anybody else hearing David and Coach at the same time?
Are we echoing across each other?
Yeah.
Echo.
No, I'm not hearing that.
That's
It must have
awesome.
been an echo. It's gone.
Nice.
Yeah, I didn't hear that either.
Thank you.
Thank you, Easter Bunny. Bawk, bawk. Did anybody make any money today? Let me know. Open your mics.
Still making money.
Yes,
Sure
I
did.
did.
For sure.
Good job.
Did anybody make 1% on their account this morning?
Yes.
Yes, Coach.
Nice.
Yep.
Good job. All right,
Made the
listen.
1% in the pre-market.
Good job.
Nice.
Everybody have an
And the-
amazing day. I am now going to probably trade by myself for the next hour or two. Enjoy the weather. If it's not too cold, I might bundle up, go out there, go for a walk on that beach. And then I'll be back in here to do it again tomorrow. So everybody, thank you again for joining me. Thank you to all my moderators, Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, F2, James, Don, Mark, Miranda, Eminem, Palm Coast, Ralph, Richard, Unhappily Housewife, Gilly, and Diesel Dan. Appreciate all of you. Palm, thank you for the dual banjo trading with me today. I appreciate you, buddy. Hopefully you made a mint like I know you did. Everybody
Good day.
else, God bless. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you to all of my military family and all of my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Thank you. Everybody, God bless. Have an amazing day. I'm out. See ya.